Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do 5 bourbon cocktails. All easy, let's get started. We're starting off with Gold Rush. 3 ingredients, easy, summer. Bourbon, lemon, honey syrup. Or just honey, it doesn't matter. Support the bees, save the bees, I don't know, save the tatas, whatever. Julep, you've heard about it, maybe you know how to make it, maybe you don't. 3 ingredients, mint, simple syrup, bourbon, muddle it all together, put it on ice. You can even stir it if you want, or just drink it. Unites the hillbillies and racing fans together. Let's do a Kentucky Mule. 3 ingredients again, the more fun and more patriotic version of its commie cousin, the Moscow Mule. Replace the vodka with bourbon, and it's the same thing. Gotta like ginger and bourbon for this one. Cherry lemonade bourbon, because kids who like Hawaiian punch grow up to drink bourbon. 6 ingredients, longest recipe on this list. Tastes good, refreshing. Enjoy. Alright, we got Spritz because we gotta impress the country club ladies. A little bit of elegance, definitely the prettiest drink on this list. 5 ingredients, classes join up. Alright, you got 6 because no bourbon list is complete without a Manhattan. Not my favorite, but hey, some people like New York. 3 ingredients, enjoy.